Hello, dear children, good morning. Children, today I am going to continue with the reading part of your fourth lesson, the United Nations. So, all of you open page number 283 in your textbook. We have completed till the page 281 in your textbook, right? We have completed the reading part. And in today's class, we are going to continue from organs of the UN. ORGANS, organs of the UN. The UN functions, FUNCTIONS, functions through THROUGH, through 6 organs and several specialized SPECIALISED specialized bodies. The UN HEADQUARTER. The UN headquarters is in New York City and its 3 REGIONAL regional headquarters are in GENEVA, Geneva, VIENNA, Vienna, and NAIROBI, Nairobi. The organs of the UN are the General Assembly, SECURITY, Security Council, ECONOMIC, Economic and Social Council, TRUSTEESHIP, Trusteeship Council, International Court of Justice, and the SECRETARIAT, Secretariat. In General Assembly, the General Assembly, GENERAL, General, ASSEMBLY, the General Assembly. The General Assembly is the main organ of the UN. It is an assembly of representatives, representatives of all the UN member states. The General Assembly, SESSION, session, is held annually from SEPTEMBER, September to December. It DISCUSSES, it discusses, and DELIBERATES, deliberates on the various CONCERNS, concerns. The discussions are FOLLOWED followed by VOTING, voting. Each country has one vote. DECISION, decision is made by the MAJORITY, majority, MANDATE, mandate. However, these decisions are not binding. The General Assembly also elects non-permanent member countries of the Security Council and ECOSOC, Economic and Social Council, by the system of voting. Next, the Security Council. The Security Council is the PRINCIPAL, principal organ of the UN. It is RESPONSIBLE, responsible for the maintenance, maintenance of international peace and security. It AUTHORISES, authorizes PEACEKEEPING, peacekeeping operations in countries which are facing war. It also takes MILITARY, military actions and international sanctions sanctions against nations which carry out actions which disrupt peace and create global problems. The Security Council has 15 members. 5 of these are permanent and 10 are non-permanent. The United States of America, the United Kingdom, Russia, France and China are the permanent members. They have the veto power. It means that even if only one of these members use veto on a matter, then the issue gets rejected. The 10 non-permanent members are nominated nominated by the General Assembly for a 2-year term. Next, the Economic and Social Council. The Economic and Social Council works to achieving achieving higher standards of living, improving health, and education, and promoting respect for human rights and freedoms, throughout the world. It has 14 specialized bodies and 5 regional commissions working under it. The ECOSOC has 54 nominated members out of the 193 members of the General Assembly. These members are nominated for a period of 3 years. The ECOSOC holds its sessions session each year in April and July. It is the United Nations central platform for reflection, debate, and innovative thinking on sustainable development, sustainable development. Next, the Trusteeship Council. The Trusteeship Council is presently suspended. It was established in 1945 to supervise certain territories of some member states. Its aim was to help these countries achieve independence and self-governance. By 1994, when this goal was achieved, the council was dissolved. So children, we will continue the remaining part in our next class. All of you once go through today's video, children, and pronounce the words properly letter by letter, so that you will come to know the difficult words, how to pronounce and how to learn, and even how to understand and how to remind. So once go through the hard words, children. Okay, bye children, thank you.